Welcome to Trivia Tuesday with SkillSets Connect. Get ready for another wild fact that might just surprise you. Here's today's question. What color is a polar bear's skin? Is it white, just like its fur, or pink? Because of the cold temperatures, or is it black, hidden beneath all that fluff? And the answer is black. That's right. A polar bear's skin is actually black, even though they look completely white. So why do they look white? Their fur isn't actually white, it's transparent. Each hair is hollow and reflects light, which makes them appear white against the snow and ice. This clever adaptation helps them blend into their surroundings and stay camouflaged in the Arctic. Here's something even cooler. Because their fur is transparent, polar bears can actually look yellowish or even green in some zoos. This happens when algae grows inside their hollow hairs. And despite their cold environment, their black skin helps them absorb heat from the sun, keeping them nice and warm in freezing temperatures. Did you guess correctly? Let us know in the comments. And here's a bonus question. What do you think is the biggest species of bear in the world? Drop your answers in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a Trivia Tuesday. See you next time for more mind-blowing facts. Love learning fun facts? At SkillSets Connect, we make learning exciting for home educators with interactive lessons, trivia, and hands-on activities. Try it. Free today. Link in the description.